That kick was powerful.
Its claws are so thick it made its own threshold.
I made it myself.
You're over there picking iron. Iron eats the soft.
This level. Headache, it's okay. Does it hurt?
The wing jumped down, saw the road outside, and walked to the gate.
The main thing is that I went to the hot springs these past 2 days and it got dirty.
He already feels there's none left. Can't there be a next time?
Yes, he can't soak now.
I wonder what's going on with him.
In a hurry, his shoes are all here. I think I 200.
A lot, he just told me.
It doesn't hurt, just gently.
His dad didn't take over. His hands and feet.
Dad said about the stool, hands and feet. Hands and feet. There's dependency in the heart. You hang the pot.
Little Snow was off because we went in and got Duck injured. He said, look at the foot on the stairs. The foot became like this after 3 times.
How many more?
How many more?
How many do you have?
I only have one.
Boss.
Where did you go?
Blood is coming out.
Ah, right. Look at his foot with the stairs, huh?
Oh, the toenails have been clipped.
Dodo, can you fix my foot? My foot is hurt. How many of you came late, Chonge?
Can you come online after work? If
I won't eat.
Isn't the dog sacred?
Also, there's not much rice or flour left.
Yes. The big one asks if you have eaten.
He probably saw him taking that medicine. Better stop soon. They all want to open one eye.